What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing, I'm pretty sure you already know, Kaiju Multiverse 2.0, like I tell you all the time. And this game is really fun. And y'all seem to really like it, so here's some more gameplay. I'm expecting Heisei Godzilla today. He's supposed to be coming sometime soon. He was supposed to be here on Friday, but Godzilla Evolved came out on Friday, so he's not. He might take place in this update, but I just don't know. Let's see. Boy, get out. Wow, this dude is rude. How dare you bite me? Today at 5 p.m. I'm expecting Evolved. Well, not Evolved. I'm expecting a new update. There's supposed to be a new update. I'm pretty sure. Everybody's expecting a new update. Could be Heisei. I don't know. I'm just thinking it's Heisei. Well, I'm being teamed on. Wow. And I'm already level 100. I don't know why they're messing. Wait, I didn't tell them that. Boy, you about to die. And you stop slapping me. This dude. Hey, y'all better get together. Get along now or I will throw you backwards. Yeah, let me just get you out of the way. Boy, I know you ain't trying to kill me with that. Oh yeah, my ultimate's almost charged up fully. He's almost dead. Come on. And boy, you better not be stealing my kills. That's the number one thing I'm gonna be saying to you. Yo! Okay, it's charged up. Wait, no, it's not. It's at 99. I just need to get one more hit on him. Let's go. It's charged up. Bro, his ultimate ability is so sick. I'm not even lying, bro. This ultimate ability is one of the best abilities ever. Like, I'm so glad they added it. Like, I couldn't go a day without this. Time for the supercharged atomic breath, or beam, whatever you want to call it. Boy, why are you trying to slap me too? Y'all trying to team? You better not be trying to team. Okay, and now I'm just gonna, hold on. Whoa! No! I'm experiencing one. Why can't I speak? Okay, I'm experiencing one of the most #1 glitches that everybody hates. I cannot move. It's a glitch in this game currently, and they need to fix it. Cause now he's just gonna kill me, and it's not fair. Dude, get away from me! Oh my gosh, dude. Now I just gotta wait till my health goes down to 0. I can't move, no! Dude, now you're gonna change your mind? Okay, thank you. At least you're not gonna get the kill. Let's go. Let's go. And my ultimate's gonna be at 6. Dude, I wasted my entire ultimate. Now let's cook now. What I thought, you better not mess with me, boy. Get out of the way. Well, you're not really in the way. Actually, you are. Kind of. I don't know. Okay, I'm ready to win this. Say bye-bye, bro. Now you're gone. Guys, look at his health. He's so low. I don't think so. Not today. Guys, let me know in the comments. Are you excited for Heisei Godzilla? There's some epic teasers. He's supposed to have a burning mode. Is what people are saying. I can't wait to try him. I don't know if the update's gonna be today, but I'm just saying it is. I'm hoping it is, not saying. Hey, I remember you trying to kill me last time, and you're the one that glitched me. So I'm gonna get revenge for that. I know y'all secrets. Bye-bye. But mine charges up faster than yours. Okay, I kind of did that a little bit too early. Hey, why are you trying to grab me, bro? Hold on. I need my ultimate to come up. It's 55%, Martin. I think he'll kill me. Nope. Just kidding. Or he might. I don't know. I don't know the chances of him killing me. It's probably very low since I have 5 HP. But don't even think about rolling, bro. Dude, come on. Come on, you scared? You scared, Martin? Bro, his health is so low. He roared? Are you serious? Now his health went up. Of course he's gonna roar. That's what they do all the time when they're low. Everybody be doing this, bro. I hate that they added the wrong thing that lets you heal. Like, bro, everybody be trying to heal. It's annoying when they're low health and you're gonna get the dub. And then they just roar. Oh yeah, I love, bro, the ultimate. Bro, nobody can go wrong about the ultimate. Tell me in the comments what you rate the ultimate. From 1 to 10. Go ahead, try to grab me. It ain't gonna work with my atomic supercharged beam. Nah, he went ultimate too. Or I went ultimate. Aw, dang it. Ooh. Luckily. And I'm dead. Okay, come on, dude. I should have roared right there. I should have roared. Anyways, I hope y'all guys enjoy. Did I just say guys? Bro, I just said guys. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.